Hello students, welcome back to AriserTalent. I am your maths teacher Arpita Sharma. Students, we are discussing which chapter? It is Polynomial, chapter number 2, right? So, writing the name of this interesting chapter, that is Polynomial. Okay, so this was our chapter and where were we? We were discussing factorization, right? The factorization of polynomial. How to factorize a polynomial. We have, very much learned about the factorization of a number. Okay, we have done this in your previous classes. We have done it very well. Now, about the factorization of polynomial, we have considered two methods. Okay, in one of the method, we use this technique ax square plus bx plus c. In that formula, we do multiply a and c. Okay, a is coefficient of x square and c is the constant. So, we do multiply a and c, and whatever is our result is, we bifurcate it in such a way that the addition and subtraction of these two numbers will be the multiplication. When we multiply these two, that will become the AC. Okay, that means ax square, if I am talking about ax square bx plus c. So, I will multiply these two and will get AC. Now, I will convert this AC into p plus q such that this p plus q equals to b. Okay. So, this is the concept, right. So, on this concept we done 4 or 5 question, and then the question then arrived to us, that was some format like this: a x square plus b x square, that is cube, okay, plus c x then plus d. So, where we getting a cube here? So, what we did, we just first take common from these two, right, and then we parted this as a separate thing and this as a separate thing. This is the same format of ax square plus bx plus c. So, we completed in like the previous one, and here we took something common. How we took it? We put value of x equals to a such that the value of this px equals to 0. So, that will be a factor. So, the factor will be x minus a, and after that x minus a, we bifurcate this one. Okay, we solve this particular x square plus bx plus c category expression. Students, this is about the brief recap of it, whatever we have gone through in our previous lecture. So, we have done a question based on the second method, and we are doing one more question on it. Okay. So, now we will move towards our question. So, the question is factorize x cube minus that is the one we have done. Okay. So, this is the one we have done. So, that is the second thing, which is the second one is px is given. Student, what is given as px? X cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. So, plus minus 1 is my favorite. I just insert 1 and minus 1 as value of x and will look whether the value is 0 or not. So, if I will take this value as minus 1, okay, so let me take plus 1, okay. So, plus 1 minus 3, 1 square, 1 cube minus 9, 1 minus 5. So, what will it become? 1, 3, 9, 5. That is way too negative. So, we can easily say that the answer of this can be anything but not 0. So, what I am taking here, after 1 finishing 1, I can place 0, 0, 0, 0. So, I will getting a minus 5. So, 0 is not an option at all. So, I will be going with the minus 1, minus 1 whole cube minus 3, minus 1 square minus 9, minus 1 minus 5. That will give me minus 1. Minus 1 cube is minus 1, minus 3 because this is 1, minus minus plus 9 and minus 5. So, that will be 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So, that will be minus 9 plus 9 and that is equals to 0. So basically P minus 1, basically P minus 1, I am rubbing the whole calculation here. Basically P minus 1 is equals to what? 0. So this implies that x minus minus 1 is a factor, or I can write this as is equals to x plus 1 is a factor of what? Px. Okay. If that's so, then what will we do? We'll write that Px equals to, now what we have to do? We have to take x plus 1 common. X plus 1 common. How can we take x plus 1 common? How can we take x plus 1 common? So what I am doing here, writing x cube. Now if I will write it x cube minus 3x square, be very careful about these two terms, and if I pick this x square as common, I will get x minus 3. But no, I have to write it here something like what I can get x plus 1 as common. So what will I do? For getting x plus 1 common, I have to be there, that is to be there, that x square should be there. This is to be done. Now x square common, that will be remaining with x plus 1. So we are getting x plus 1. Now how will you do that? If you are adding plus x square here, then you have to, in order to make it minus 3x square again, what will you do? You will just minus 4x square here. Now x cube plus x square minus plus x square minus 4x square is what? Minus of 3x square, right? And here it is minus of 3x square. Nothing has been changed. Okay. So minus 9x minus 5. Okay. Now Px equals to, what we will take common? X square. After taking x square common, there will be getting x plus 1, and here I will be getting minus 4 of x square minus 9x minus 5. So does it make you remember something? You are getting x square plus bx plus c. So after getting this, what will you do? Instantly 4 multiply by 5, okay, is equals to AC. That is A and it is C here. AC is 4 multiply by 5. Now 4 plus 5 is what? 9, and you are getting a 9 here. So 4 and 5, you will take it minus 5 and minus 4. So you will add them and you will get minus 9. Now you are having an x with it. So you will use minus 5x minus 4x. Minus 5x minus 4x is what? Minus 9x. Okay. Right. So he will get Px equals to x square x plus 1 as it is. From here we will be having minus of 4x square minus, now this combination minus of 5x minus 4x, okay, minus of 5 as it is. Now Px equals to x square x plus 1 as it is. We are not going to do anything with that. Now minus, now student, what are you trying to get? You are trying to get x plus 1. Now how will you get x plus 1 here? Is there anything common? No, you can't get anything common. So you will take minus 1 as common and get minus 1x common, and you will get 4x minus 5. But taking 4x minus 5 is not an option, and you can do it also. Like, let me tell you how. Like from here you can do it in two methods. I am talking about this portion only. So minus 4x square minus 4x common, minus x common, sorry, minus x common. So you will getting 4 here minus 4x here minus 5 in this case. From here we will be getting minus 1 common and x minus 5, 4x minus 5. Here you are getting 4x minus 5, here you are getting 4x minus 5. So, that will become 4x minus 5 and minus 1 minus x, or else what you can do is the second thing, you can do it like minus 4 of x square minus 4x, okay, minus 5x minus 5. I have rearranged it. That will be px equals to x square x plus 1 minus 4x common. So, what will be remaining with x plus, because minus 4x is common, x plus 1 minus 5 common x plus 1 again. That means you are getting something common here, x plus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1. Okay. So, that will be x plus 1 common, remaining with x square minus 4x minus 5, right. Okay. Now, you will get px equals to x plus 1. Now, we are talking about this x square minus 4x minus 5. So, 5 multiply by 1. Okay. So, you are getting minus 5 multiply by this minus 5 and this one. So, 1 equals to minus 5. Now, you have to bifurcate this minus 5 such a way that you will get minus 4. I will get minus 5. So, minus 5 multiply by 1. Okay. So, minus 5 plus 1 is equals to what? Minus 4, and you get minus 4. So, how can you bifurcate minus x? Minus 5, minus 5x plus x equals to what? 4x, minus of 4x, isn't it? So, you will apply the same thing here and you will have it like x square minus or plus x minus 5x minus 5. Now, look at here again, x square plus x minus 5x is what? X minus 5x is what? Minus 4x, so minus 4x minus 5 as it is. So, no change here. Okay. Now, after this, come here this side, you will get this px as x plus 1 as it is. Okay. Then I am talking about this, you can take x common here, okay, x common here. So, after taking x common here, you will get x plus 1, first thing, okay, x plus 1 here, then minus 5 common here, minus 5 common here, then you will get x plus 1 also, bracket close. So, that means that will become px equals to x plus 1. Now, from these two, here I am getting x plus 1, so x plus 1 common, and here x minus 5, x minus 5. So, basically this is your answer. Understood? This is your answer, x plus 1, x minus 5. This is the factorization of your given polynomial px. Okay, understood? We just repeated that process again. Okay, now it is very easy for you guys to understand that this last digit make us understand that what we have to do, how to factorize it, okay, with the combination of the constant of x square, okay, the constant of x square multiply by the actual constant, their multiplication, and then we divide it in such a way, we just have the combination of the factors of them such a way that the addition or subtraction of these factors will result into the coefficient of x, okay. So, note it, and then we will move forward towards the question number 3rd. Okay, so for this question number 3rd, we are having this px equals to x cube plus 13 of x square plus 32x plus 20. So, now you all know what is first step to be done is, if we have, look, if you are having anything like 0, that will be remaining with 20. If we go with 1, so there will be all positive, so no 0 can be possible here. So, we will directly take -1, okay, and we will look that whether it is 0 or not. So, what will it become? -1 here, plus 13 minus 32 plus 20. So, this is 33 minus, okay, and this is plus 33. So, that will lead to 0. So, simply it is 0, right. So, I am rubbing this calculation, this is your rough part. So, basically what? P minus 1 gave you 0, that means x plus 1 is a polynomial, sorry, a factor of polynomial x, this, okay. If that's so, now we are clear with this thing that we have to make it like x plus 1, implies that px equals to x cube. Now we know how to bifurcate it, we just have to write here x square, so that can become x plus 1, okay. Now again, how many remaining? 12x square is remaining, 12x square plus 32x plus 20 here. That means px will become x common, sorry, x square common, x plus 1 there, plus 12x square here plus 32x. Now 32x, if I talk about this particular portion, this portion, so this is, if I multiply the coefficient here, 20 multiply by 12. Now if we multiply them, we will be having some number, okay, and if we add them, what we are getting? 32. So we are getting 32x by adding these two factors. So many times you don't need to mention factors and all, just simply these two a and c, when you add them, that will give you the coefficient b. So simply write 12x plus 20x plus 20. 12x plus 20x is 32x, 12x square as it is, 20 as it is. So this implies that px will be equals to x square x plus 1. Now it is becoming easy for you guys. Now 12 x common, x plus 1 remaining, plus 20 common, x plus 1 remaining. Understood the concept? Now that will you get px, okay, so px equals to x plus 1 common, and after that you will be writing x square plus this 12x plus this 20, right. Now you are having this 12x here and 20 here, so 20 multiplied by 1, this c multiplied by this a is 20, and the bifurcation of that will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5, okay. So basically factorization can be 4 and 5, 5 4s are 20, 10 and 2, okay. So that is again 20 and what else? And yes, this is it. So 5 plus 4 is 9, no, 10 plus 2 is 12. So you can use this 10 plus 2 here. So px will be equals to x plus 1, okay, then curly bracket, because we have to going to use brackets here in some step, in this step or another. So that will be 2x plus 10x. Now 2x plus 10x is 12x, okay. So this is it. Now px will be equals to x plus 1, here will be having this 2 common, so that will be remaining with x plus, we will getting x common, so we will be remaining with x plus 2. Now here in this case we will get a 10 common and we will get x plus 2s common. So x plus 2 is common here, so x plus 1 as it is, okay, and then we will be having taken common this x plus 2 and we remain with this x plus 10. Simple, this is what your answer. Okay, this rough work, I am going to rub this particular portion and this is your answer. So note this and then we will move towards the next question. Okay, so next question number 4th is Px equals to 2y cube minus y square minus 2y minus 1. Now students, again with the same procedure, if I will take this 1 here, 2 minus 1 minus 2, so minus 2 cancel, minus 1 and minus 1 again, right. So it is not working, 0 it is not working, we will take the minus 1, okay. So 2 minus 1 cube minus 1 square minus 2 minus 1 minus 1, how many minus are there? So minus 2 here and that will be minus 1, minus minus plus 2 and minus 1. So there will be 2, 3, okay, so that is not going to be true, right. If I will take plus 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, so that will be 2, 3, 4, 2 minus 4, that will be minus 2, okay. So it is not working either. So what will we do? Is the question is correct? No, the question is not correct, it is plus here, okay. So we are getting is a plus here. So correct it here also, this is plus 1. So if I am getting plus 1, so check it with minus 2, minus 1 cube is minus 2. So there will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 1 is plus 1 and plus 1. So that will be no a 0. So this is checked. Now for plus 1, P1, that will be 2 minus 1 minus 2 plus 1. So that will cancel out with this and that will cancel out with this. So that is 0. So because this is so what, x minus 1 is the factor of Px, okay. Right, okay. That means this is a factor. Now if this is a factor, that means what we have to do, simply follow the procedure we have taken it here in the previous question, okay. So then what will we do, students, is simply write Px in such a way that 2y cube, I have to write this is our mistake, here. This is not Px, this is Py, because the variable is y. So polynomial is y, that will be y here, students. So if this is y, that is going to be a y again, okay, y again. So y minus 1 is a factor of Py. Everywhere replace this x with y, implies that Py will be equals to 2y cube. Now what you have to make it, y minus 1. To make it y minus 1, you have to be there with the 2, because if you write 2y cube minus 2y square, that will give you 2y square common and y minus 1. So you have to make it in that arrangement only. So write it 2y cube minus 2y square. If I write 2y square, what I have to write here in order to make it again a minus y square? Minus 2y square plus y square is what? Minus 2y square plus y square is what? Minus y square? Minus y square, okay. Now understand, these two make minus 2y square, which is like this again, okay. So minus 2y plus 1. Now that py will be, take this 2y square common, that is why we put it here on the first place. So y minus 1 plus, now y square minus 2y minus 1. So 1 multiplied by 1. Now this is a complete equation, new equation we are getting. So we will solve it like we used to do before. So 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. What is the factor of 1? 1 and 1. So how can you get minus 2 by 1? Minus 1 is minus 2. Okay. So y square minus y square minus y plus 1. Now you will get py equals to 2y square y minus 1. Here you will get plus y common, okay, you will get y minus 1 minus 1 common, y minus 1. So what are you getting? This y minus 1, y minus 1, y minus 1 common, okay. That means py is equals to 2y square plus y minus 1. I am writing this step first and then this y minus 1. Now what you are getting? Again the basic standard format, that is x square plus bx plus c. So in that format what will you do? You will write py equals to 2 minus 1. 2 multiplied by 1 is what? 2. Now how you can bifurcate to 2 to get this y? 2y minus y is y, okay. So 2y square plus 2y minus y minus 1 and y minus 1. So that will give you py. Now what will you take common? You will take common 2y. So 2y, okay. Now when you take 2y common, you will be remaining with y plus 1. Here you will take minus 1 common, so you will get y plus 1, and here again y minus 1, right, okay. So after that you can just simply put it here, py equals to, you are having this y, you are getting this, right. So we haven't used this bracket here, okay. So that will come in the bracket also, okay. So that will be equals to 2y minus 1 and y plus 1, because y minus 1 is common from these two. This is y minus 1, this is y minus 1. So that is 2y minus 1 and y plus 1, and this remaining y minus 1. Now that will be your answer. Isn't it simple? Right, student? Simple? Okay. Now we factorize this whole thing, and the factorization we have done before in this previous question was quite simple, quite easy, and after that we just add on a step. In which type of questions we add on a step? In questions we are getting these 4 terms having a cube and all these squares, okay. So x square plus bx plus c is as it is, we will have the same process in all these, but we have to eliminate, reduce this particular format to that one that we are familiar with, like this, and like here we have applied this portion. So we have to make it sort of that ax square plus bx plus c format, so that we can again factorize it. Till then the complete expression, the complete polynomial expression becomes into a factorized one. Okay. So, we are getting 3 factors in all these 4 questions. So, this is about today. We are having some properties beside this factorization with this process. We are having another thing, that is we can have some formulas. Okay, we can have some formulas of factorization, and we will study that. We will study not in this class, but in the next class we will study. Okay, till then enjoy your life students and take care.